What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We are jumping into Mustache. That's what it says up there on the screen. Double Nature. I've been told metal, which means that they're from Sweden. Let's jump in, check it out together, see what we got. Obviously, go show the original poster, All the Love in the World, whiskeysoda.de. I already like where this is going. Aren't we all kind of double natured and it's just about finding some balance? I like all of the back and forth, all of the I'm this, I'm that, born a believer, but I walk alone. Uh I'm crazy, but I'm sane. I don't remember what else he said, but there was a whole bunch of them. I think we're all that way. We're all a little bit that way. We just can't we always gotta lean this way or that way. We can't just own it. I feel like it's just owning it. You know what? It is the way that it is. A lot of people out there stumbling through, not really feeling like they fit in anywhere. It's just kind of a way of life now, I think. The wildest music video. Like an old-timey movie. this come out? Because this music video is hella wild. Like it couldn't have been that damn old, right? It feels very like old school, like old movie style, even with the pop-up like scene descriptions. But I don't know. It seems old at the same time. How old was this? 18 years ago. Even for 18 years ago, this was still a kick-ass music video. Got a little violent there at the end. Wasn't expecting that. Obviously, I probably would have known they were from Sweden, even if they didn't tell me. Just because, hey, isn't that where most good metal comes from? Get over show Mustasch, all the love in the world. Go show whiskey soda dot e the love. Links are all inside of the description. Wild. The whole thing was wild. I think we're all double natured. He just decided to kind of own it. Say it is what it is. I like it. I like the vibe. I like the old school feel. 18 years ago, that was still for special effects wise. That was still a damn good video. Hit the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but it won't believe you. Tell the next one about the combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.